Welcome back to DRAWPEDIA tutorials. Today I'm going to teach you how to draw Dozer from Fortnite. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm going to draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. Now first of all, I'm going to draw his face mask with an arch curve line across. And from the left ending point, a diagonal curve line across to the middle to his chin, semicircle turn at the chin, back diagonally upwards on the right side. On the right side of the mask, I'm gonna draw a curve line across, semicircle turn on the right corner, inwards diagonally, an arch curve line across in the middle point above the hoodie, and I'm gonna mirror the same set of shape on the left side right here. Trace the same outline again at this outer corner. And I'm going to trace that same shape again at the outer corner on the left. Extend it upwards diagonally to the tip of his head, semicircle turn back downwards to the left side of his head. A circular shape for the eye on the top right corner of the head right there. And inside of that, I'm going to draw a semicircle shape in the middle point. And on the top left corner of that circular shape, I'm going to draw another smaller circular shape at this inner corner. Now below the eye on the lower right corner, I'm going to draw a curved line downwards. Turn it downwards to the base of the hoodie on the right side. I'm going to copy the same shape of the eye on the left side of the hoodie right there. Above the eye on the right, I'm going to draw the bat wing with a curved line upwards. An arch curve line to the right. Turn it downwards on the right corner. Sharp turn back upwards. An arch curve line across to the left right there. Sharp turn back upwards. An arch curve line across. And I'm going to copy that same shape again to the side of the eye. Along the upper point of that wing, I'm going to trace the same outline at this inner corner. Right there. And I'm going to mirror that same shape of the wing on the left side of the head. Now for his hair, inside of the hoodie at the upper point, I'm going to draw a diagonal curve line to the left and slightly downwards. Semicircle turn upwards to the left, sharp turn back to the right and turn it diagonally upwards. Below that, I'm going to draw another piece of hair with a diagonal curve line downwards to the left. Turn it sideways to the left. Sharp turn back upwards diagonally to the hair above. Copy that same set of hair again on the upper point right here. Below the hair on the left, I'm going to draw a curve line downwards and another one on the right side. Above the mask on the right side, I'm going to draw a curve line upwards and another one on the left side of that. For his ear, on the right side of that, an arch curve line across. Turn it downwards at the outer corner and semicircle turn back inwards at this lower point. Curve line downwards on the left side of that. Now for his eyebrow, I'm going to draw a curve line downwards in the middle point of center of his face, sideways to the right, semicircle turn downwards at the outer corner, and sharp turn back diagonally up across to the middle point. Below that, I'm going to draw his eyes with a curve line diagonally upwards, sideways to the right. For the lower line of his eye, I'm going to draw a curved line across, from the inner corner to the outer corner on the right side. Inside of the eye, I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards at the inner corner and another one on the right side. A black dot in the middle of his eye. I'm gonna mirror the whole eyebrow shape and the eye shape on the left side right here. At the inner corner of the left eye, I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards. Now below his chin, I'm gonna draw a line downwards off center at the side of the hoodie right there. And at the side of the hoodie on the left, a diagonal curved line downwards, semicircular turn to the middle point on the right. For the zipper in the middle of the hoodie, I'm gonna draw a rectangular shape right there. And I'm gonna leave the right corner with a gap, and at the gap I'm gonna turn it upwards, sideways to the right, turn it downwards, curved line across to the left, and a line upwards on the left corner. Inside of that, I'm gonna trace the same outline at this lower point and a line across at the upper corner right there. On the right side of that zipper, I'm gonna trace the same outline at the right side right there. And on the right side, I'm gonna draw a circular shape, turn it downwards on the lower right corner, sideways to the left. Above the zipper on the right, a curved line diagonally up, extend it upwards to the base of the neck on the right. Curved line across to the right and turn it diagonally down towards his shoulder on the right. Semicircular turn downwards at the side of his shoulder, turn it diagonally outwards and turn it back downwards to his elbow point. Flare it slightly out below the elbow point and turn it back inwards. Some wavy line across to his wrist. And for the inner line of the arm, from the shoulder, a curved line downwards. Extend it downwards, flare it slightly out and back inwards at the elbow point. Flare it back outwards below the elbow point. Turn it back inwards and wavy line across to his wrist. Curved line across above the wrist and another curved line below that. A line downwards on both sides of the wrist. Along the arm, I'm going to draw some curved line across. Right there. And for his glove, below the wrist, a curved line out, turn it downwards. Curved line downwards for the side of his thumb, semicircular turn to the right. On the right side of that, a curved line downwards to the tip of his finger, semicircular turn back upwards on the right side. Copy that same shape again on the right side of that finger, and on the right side of that, a curved line across to the right, semicircular turn upwards, turn it outwards, and semicircular turn inwards. Across every fingers and thumb, I'm gonna draw a line across in the middle point. On the left side of that arm, I'm gonna draw the right side of his outfit with a curved line diagonally downwards. Turn it back outwards below the waist. Below the zipper in the middle, I'm gonna draw a line downwards off center on the right corner and another one on the left side. At this lower point, a line across and a U-shaped curved line across to the left. On the right side of that, I'm going to draw the side pocket with a diagonal curved line downwards and another similar line at the outer corner on the right, a line across at the ending point above and this lower point. For his left shoulder, I'm going to draw a diagonal curved line out right there, semicircular turn downwards, extend it downwards to his elbow point, Flare it out with a curved line below that, turn it back inwards, some wavy line at that corner, curved line across at the wrist, and another one below that, and a line down at the outer corner on the left. For the left side of the outfit, I'm gonna draw from the shoulder a curved line downwards, slightly inwards, curve it back outwards at the waist right there, turn it downwards to his knee point. Now for his hand on the left, I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards at the outer corner, turn it diagonally inwards to the right, semicircle turn back upwards, and turn it upwards. For his thumb on the right side of that, a diagonal curved line downwards and slightly to the right, turn back upwards, and curved line back to the side of his wrist. Another finger on the right corner right there, and on every fingers and thumb a curved line across in the middle point like that. Along his left arm, I'm gonna draw some curved line across. On the left side of his right hand, I'm gonna draw a rectangular shape right there, and on the left side of that, I'm gonna draw the strap with a curved line across to the inner line of the legs at the upper corner, and another one at this lower point. A line downwards on the ending point on the left, and inside of that I'm gonna draw another line downwards in the middle point. Above that strap, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line upwards to the left, semicircle turn across to the left. Continue the line of the legs downwards below the strap to his knee point, and I'm gonna do the same thing for the outer line of that leg. On the right, turn it inwards, semicircle turn diagonally out below the knee point, and turn it downwards. For the inner line of the legs below, I'm gonna draw the lower leg pad with a diagonal curved line from the left corner to the middle, across to the right, turn it diagonally back upwards on the right side. Copy that same set of line again at this lower point, and from the ending point at the side, I'm gonna draw a line diagonally out and downwards on both the left and right. Turn it downwards at the outer corner on the right, and I'm gonna do the same thing for the inner corner on the left side right there. Turn it downwards on the left corner and a line across to the right. Behind that lower leg pad at the upper point, I'm going to draw a strap with a curved line across, and another one below that, and a line down at the outer corner. Curved line out below that, turn it back inwards, another strap at this lower point, and below that strap, a curved line downwards, semicircle turn back inwards. Below that, a line down, semicircle turn to the left, and semicircle turn back upwards. Along that shape, I'm gonna draw some short lines downwards. Below that, I'm gonna draw his shoe with a curved line downwards and flare it slightly out on both the left and right side. Semicircle turn at the corner to the middle point, and curved line across in the middle point. Below that, I'm gonna draw a line down on both sides and a curved line across for the base of the shoe. Along the base of the shoe, I'm gonna draw some rectangular shape. At the front tip of the shoe, I'm gonna draw an arch curved line across right there. And above that, in the middle point, I'm gonna draw a rectangular shape. For the left side of the leg, I'm gonna extend this line on the left downwards. Copy the same shape of the lower leg pad below the knee point right there. And for the inner line of the legs, a curved line downwards from the middle point, turn it inwards, curve it outwards above the knee point, turn it back inwards, and back outwards, and turn it back inwards. A strap at that upper corner, and another one at this lower point. Continue the line of the legs downwards with curved line out, and turn it back inwards. Below that second strap, a curved line out, semicircle turn back in and across to the front part of the leg and turn it upwards. Below that, I'm gonna draw a line down from the back, semicircle turn to the left and semicircle turn back upwards on the left side. Along that shape, I'm gonna draw some short lines downwards. Below that, a curved line downwards to his heel. And from the front part, a curved line diagonally to the right and across, semicircle turn back downwards. A curved line across from the front tip of the shoe all the way to the back. Below that, I'm going to draw a line downwards at the front point and another one at the back. Curved line across from the front point of the shoe all the way to the back, and along the base of the shoe I'm going to draw some rectangular shape. From the front point of the shoe at this upper corner, I'm going to draw a curved line down diagonally and turn it sideways to the right and turn it downwards. From that same point, I'm going to draw a diagonal curved line to the back and slightly upwards. Now for his mask, I'm going to draw a circular shape on the right side, right there. On the left side of that, I'm going to draw a few smaller circular shape at that corner. A curved line right there, and a curved line on his chin. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time.